Hello and welcome. My name is Darren Birch and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you find that your Google Plus account is running very slow, it's because if you're on it all the time, you are using up data, like cookies in a way. So what I'm about to show you now, see the notification that I'll just try to open up? See how long it's taking to open? Now if you find that this is happening a lot, it's because you've got too much data on your Google Plus account that you need to free up. So what I'm about to show you now, we're going to delete that data. It's not going to delete your settings or your messages. So go up to the settings, hit the cogwheel, hit General, and then hit Application Manager, and then slide across, hit All, and then look for Google Plus account. Now I do this all the time because I'm on Google Plus most of the time and I use a lot of memory. You don't have to delete Google Plus, you don't have to reset it again. Here we go. So all you need to do is, we'll scroll down, clear data. Hit that, and then sign out. Go back into your Google Plus account. I'm going to open up the same notification that I did last time, and I'll show you how fast it takes to open up. It's going to take a little while for your messages to open up, but when they do, you'll have them all there. So just wait for a little minute. And okay, I got my messages back. Yes, there is my notification that I opened up previously. And see how fast it's taken to open? Very fast. So that's all you need to do. Alright, and I hope I helped in some way. And all you're doing is just clearing the data that you use to run this Google Plus account off your phone. Right? That's all you're doing. You're clearing that data. And by doing that, you're making your phone run a lot faster. Now, you're not going to lose your messages, your likes, your followers, or your downloads, or anything else, your keyboard settings, because remember, everything is still saved on Google Plus on their site. Well, I hope that helped, and thank you very much.